7 बजे फोन है यार. Oh shit, I'm running late.
Hi, my name is Aniruddha from BMC Batch 368, and let me take you with our journey.
Every mountaineer starts somewhere. For me, it began with basic mountaineering course. The first day was filled with excitement, and meeting the fellow mountaineers from across the country made it feel like a shared dream. At HMI, our day usually started very early in the morning at 5, getting ready for the morning PT and runs. We dove into the science of mountains, learning about the snow, weather, equipment, and survival.
So, Tenzing Rock is almost a kilometer away from the institute, so we have to walk every day towards the rock and then we start our climbs.
Rock climbing taught us trust in the rope, in our technique, and in each other.
So, we are leaving for the Tiger Hill trek. They have asked us to carry weighted backpacks so that we would be comfortable carrying weights on hilly terrains.
Now with all the theory classes done, अब हमारा practical test था, physical test था mountains के लिए, if we are eligible or not पहाड़ों के लिए, for which we had Pandem test. Pandem test is a 14-kilometer trek with 15 kgs of backpack, and you have to cover it within 3 hours. अब अगर if you don't cover it within 3 hours, you'll be out of the institute. तुम पहाड़ों पे नहीं जा पाओगे.
So we have covered almost 5.67 kilometers and we are descending down into the valley. Run! And we finished within 2 hours 40 minutes.
The test was passed. It was time to get up and leave for mountains. Yuksum was a starting point towards the base camp.
जब हमने युक्सुम से स्टार्ट किया तब तो मतलब काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग था ये. मेरी लाइफ का ये फर्स्ट ट्रैक था, पर थोड़ा सा नर्वसनेस भी था कि 17 किलोमीटर का ट्रैक और ऊपर से 15 to 18 केजीज का बैग. और फिर मतलब जब चलने लगे उसके बाद तो मज़ा आया, पर एक प्रॉब्लम भी हुआ, बारिश भी हुई. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि जब आप एंटर होते हैं माउंटेन्स में और बारिश होता है तो एक प्यूरिफिकेशन का वे होता है, वो भी काफ़ी बेस्ट.
We have left from Shoka and we are leaving to Zongri.
Let's go.
We are at Devrali, which is at 3,691 meters. We are doing really good at the pace. Now one last push towards Zongri. So we finally reached Zongri. It is 3,895 meters high. Really excited now. We'll be spending the night over here.
Every day, by gaining elevation, we reached the HMI base camp.
Hello and welcome to week 3 base camp days. This is the third day that we are walking towards the glacier.
Now comes the snow and ice, the real deal. Learning to walk, climb, and arrest falls at Snowfield showed us the seriousness and beauty of mountains. This was our last day at the glacier, and I was sad. Not because it was the last day, but the glaciers were melting due to global warming and climate change.
नमस्ते गाइस, मेरा नाम संजोक है. मैं HMI पे इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ. अब यहाँ पे मेन थिंग क्या हो रहा है, क्लाइमेट चेंज के, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है ना. तो जितने भी ये क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है, ये ग्लेशियर पे बहुत सारे इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है. क्योंकि जहाँ पे स्नोफॉल होना चाहिए था विंटर पे, है ना, विंटर पे वो स्नोफॉल नहीं हो रहा है. जो ग्लेशियर बनने के लिए स्नोफॉल होना चाहिए वो नहीं हो रहा है, और मेल्टिंग पोजिशन ज़्यादा हो रहा है. तो इसी कारण से ग्लेशियर बनने के लिए स्नोफॉल ज़्यादा होना चाहिए और मेल्टिंग कम होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे मेल्टिंग ज़्यादा है और स्नोफॉल कम हो रहा है. तो इसी कारण से ग्लेशियर बहुत कम पीछे जा रहा है. अभी मे बी ऐसा 10 ईयर्स पे मे बी राथोंग ग्लेशियर देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे. मे बी वी सी ऑन द फोटो ऑल्सो, है ना, फोटो को भी देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. तो इस मेन कारण है क्लाइमेट चेंज.
So as we saw, global warming एक major issue है जो drastically affect कर रहा है everywhere in the world. But ये problem हो गया. Let's talk about the solution. अगर हम एक tree भी plant करते हैं एक individual level पे, so it would help us fight the war. So let's make it happen. Today is our last day at the base camp. That means जो भी surrounding peaks है उसमें से एक peak पे हम summit करने वाले हैं आज. And that is none other than Mount Renok. Situated at an elevation of 16,500 feet, this would be my highest peak climbed in my life yet.
We have roped up and going in different ropes to be more secure. That is the peak.
So finally we reached the summit. It took us almost 3 hours to reach to the top of the mountain.
And yes, we did it. We were no ordinary people from now on. We were mountaineers. Well, it wasn't just about the course, but also the people who joined from across the country and the world.
Hey, my name is Mukesh Singh Dev. I'm from Uttarakhand.
My name is Prasanna. I'm from Mumbai.
I'm Vignesh. I'm from Bangalore.
Hi, I'm Vinay Punakal and I'm from Kerala.
Hey, I'm Anirban and I'm from West Bengal.
मेरा नाम आशुतोष सिंह है और मैं मध्य प्रदेश के जबलपुर से हूँ.
I'm Stanzin from Leh Ladakh.
My name is Boris. I'm from Slovakia, but living currently in Iceland.
My name is Yugant and I come from Kalimpong.
मेरा नाम उदित है और मैं यूपी से हूँ.
Yes, we were from different parts of the country, but we had one thing in common: love for mountains.
There are various reasons why people like mountains. Mainly because it's peaceful, serene and everything. I personally love mountains because mountains are tough.
The one thing I love about the mountains is challenges which comes with it.
I like the views. Mountains में मुझे summit करना पसंद है.
This connection from reality and connection to your inner self.
मेरे को पहाड़ों के बारे में और लाइफ के बारे में बस एक ही चीज़ पसंद है, वो है ऊंचाइयाँ.
We became mountaineers. I should say this is one of the most beautiful journey and the toughest journey I had in my life, and most of the people had in their life, I should say. And it wouldn't be possible without the amazing instructors over here who were with us to motivate, push us and get out of the maximum from us. And especially we wanted to thank the supporting staff as well as the kitchen team. On behalf of the entire BMC 368 batch, we are thanking you for this amazing, wonderful journey.
Mountains में ऐसा नहीं होता है, man.